For scramble, I always do white cross unless yellow is very easy, and I see that yellow is really easy on the scramble. So I'm gonna go with that. I see this pair, so I'll see if I can preserve that. So I'll move this down, that over, this down, finish the cross. So I'm going to do this pair. I see this too, but probably would have seen this first. Interesting, both these pairs are solved, but if I do this one first, it will break that one up. So I'll do this one first. And then this one, which also pairs this one up, which is really nice. Solve that. And then pair this up and do a sledge. OLL, PLL. Second scramble, going to do white cross. Going to move this up, blue over, orange down, green down, and lastly this red one. See this pair? While doing that, I saw these two. This is a very bad case. Probably just do this pair first, and then that pair. OLL, PLL. Third scramble, another instance where I think I'd actually do yellow in this case. I'll move this blue over, down, and then finish the cross. This pair first is already done, which is nice. And these two. I think I would do this pair like that. I don't know if that was the best way to do it, but in this pair, do some edge control, and then ZBLL. Soon. And too soon from the back. Fourth scramble. This doesn't look that good. I think I'll just go like that. D2, insert red, finish cross. Then I see these two first. Then these two. Okay, that's not the pair I thought it was. So I'll rotate this way. Do these two, which pairs both of these up, which is good. Solve that one, solve that one. Separate these, finish the pair, easy OLL, and then PLL. Fifth scramble. Doesn't look good again. Actually might do yellow, which is very rare, but happening a lot in this video for some reason. So I'll move this green over, move this out of here, so it brings it to the top when I move this down. Orange, and then finish, like that. This pair, like that. and then these two, and then final pair. OL, PL. Sixth scramble. Looks like we're doing yellow again. Really easy. So I'm going to go here, and this. Finish the cross. I saw this one first, so I'll do this one. And this one. Rotate these two. Last pair. OL. PL. Seventh scramble. Let's go back to white cross. So I'd move this down like that. Then D2. But I see this block right here. So I put this corner in here and D prime to make this X cross. And then I'll do this pair next. Two options here. I think I would do this one first. Yeah, that sets up a nice last case. OLL, PLL. Eighth scramble. Going to do white cross. So I'm going to go like that. Move this blue over to complete the cross. See these two first, and these two, then these two, and then this pair, which will get a dot OLL. So I'll do edge control, then COL, and Z perm. Ninth scramble, going to do white again. Think I will go I think I do D2 like that. See this pair, but I can easily solve it, even though I broke it up. I'm gonna go like that, then do this one. This pair is made, which is super nice. And then lastly, this one. OLL and PLL. 10th scramble. Going to do white cross. So I'm gonna move this green in place, orange, and blue. See this pair first. Insert that into the back. And I see this one. And these two. And right away into the last one. OLL and PLL.